me being a mother myself understands the fact that माँ के प्यार का तो कोई भाषा नहीं होता उसकी आंखों में है उसका प्यार उसका दर्द आंखों से दिखता है nothing else movie so I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen wanting to act all my life जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती क्या बना रहे हो that is what is important. So my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that, okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together. And whatever we've done, we've always been super successful. And I'm very confident again. I'll get the next Balaji, okay? That's mine. Promise me.
Bigger, bigger and better. Legit superstar Kareena Kapoor.
Whoa, whoa. She said it, yeah. She said it, ladies
I
and
have to
gentlemen.
say it. This is the numbers that speak, And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands. She gets that. She is a star, but also a great actor.
Karina, I'd like to start with you. This is your year. Definitely, this is your year. First, it was Crew, जो कि box office को आपने दी. उसके बाद, of course, the Buckingham Murders, the most awaited project of this year, and now आने वाला है Singham again. So first of all, talk to us about this journey of yours, 2.5 decades as the leading lady of the Indian film industry.
I think I should leave that to all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think what? Yeah, probably that. Hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komal ji also, what are the collections? What are the collections of this movie, that movie? So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till I don't know, forever and
Forever,
ever.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Ekta, you be it television, OTT or films, you've been a force to reckon with, and of course, women empowerment. With your films, you spread out that message. Kareena, now that you are also turning a producer, in light of the Hima Justice Committee report, both of you, how do you ensure there's a safe environment for women on set, and what's your take on the same?
I think I'll take this. Women and their safety is not just the industry issue, it's any woman at workplace issue. And we take this very seriously. And like I said, a lot of women have to now lead so that a lot of women can join forces. And that, producing a film, two female producers coming together and making a film, telling a crime story which is sorted by a female officer, is also a step at creating some kind of safety and some kind of power. You see, we have to change the agency from men to women and equalize the agency. A lot of places we need women on the top and at least running companies. And for that, women also have to take an initiative. And like I said, the report will come, we will read more about it, but a conscious effort to keep a safe environment for women at any place at work. A big part of it will be women leading professional jobs. And I think that has to start happening. It's still a very slanted place. Thank you.
And I think it is up to men. This, the responsibility is on men, the onus is on men to take the initiative to ensure that this equality and safety is maintained. I think it's about time we own up and we look at safety in the eye.
Kareena Kapoor Khan, the producer, talk to us about that.
That
And
is the producer is here.
Kareena, you have produced this film.
I have produced this film. How? I have only listened to Hansal and Ekta. I don't listen to anyone else. That's all. So I produced it by believing in the script.
Yes,
That's what.
the biggest internationally all women producers who've gone ahead and turned producers is because they've wanted to make films they believe in, and then they've got billion-dollar companies after that. This is your beginning.
I hope
Reese with
so.
a spoon?
I'll get the next Balaji. Okay, that's mine. Promise me.
Bigger and better. Alleged superstar Kareena Kapoor.
Whoa, whoa. She said it, yeah. She said it, ladies
I
and
have to
gentlemen.
say it. This is the numbers that speak, you know. And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands.
You guys have come a long way and now completely associating with a murder mystery. So tell us about that.
So, you know, I've worked with Kareena on 4 films now. I have had like this Full House. Very few actors I have been able to get, you know. She gets that. She is a star, but also a great actor.
Jesse, I think this is a film which is very special to I think all of us because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में film बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है. आप क्या बना रहे हो that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that, okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together. And whatever we've done, we've always been super successful. And I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Because I think a mother's emotion has no language. It's a feeling. So, and Jas is a mother, and it's also her journey apart from the investigation. So I think me being a mother myself understands the fact that माँ के प्यार का तो कोई भाषा नहीं होता. उसकी आँखों में है उसका प्यार, उसका दर्द आँखों से दिखता है. Nothing else. No? That's important.
And I think, you know, you can see Kareena, her eyes speak more than any dialogue in the film. मतलब उनकी आँखों में मतलब 1000 कहानियाँ हैं और 1000 दर्द है. वो मतलब उनमें बहुत सारी बैक स्टोरीज है. आप खुद ही बनाओगे उनको. इतना मतलब खूबसूरत परफॉर्म किया है. I mean, she has so much to offer.
जैसे अभी जैक और तैमूर का जिक्र करा गया, क्या जो आपके ऑन स्क्रीन सन हैं और तैमूर दोनों दोस्त भी हैं? Are they friends?
No, not at all. That's not true. They completely. Temur was not even at the shoot.
Okay.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.